Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. Which popular music festival takes place annually in California's Coachella Valley? Is it A. Coachella, B. Lollapalooza, or C. Glastonbury? It is A. Coachella. What is the capital of Malta? Is it A. Valletta, B. Mendina, or C. Sliema? It is A. Valletta. What is Noam Chomsky primarily known for in the field of linguistics? Is it A. Psycholinguistics, B. Transformational grammar, or C. Language acquisition? It is B. Transformational grammar. What is the primary goal of systems modeling? Is it A. Predict outcomes, B. Optimize processes, or C. Simplify complexity? It is B. Optimize processes. Which position did Theresa May hold as the leader of the UK government from 2016 to 2019? Is it A. Prime Minister, B. Chancellor, or C. Home Secretary? It is A. Prime Minister. What celebration marks the beginning of the Chinese lunar calendar? Is it A. Diwali, B. Lunar New Year, or C. Ramadan? It is B. Lunar New Year. What environmental condition often triggers a phytoplankton bloom? Is it A. Ocean currents, B. High temperatures, or C. Nutrient influx? It is C. Nutrient influx. What is the name of the elementary particle that is a fundamental building block of protons and neutrons? Is it A. lepton, B. quark, or C. gluon? It is B. quark. What law prevents old crimes from being prosecuted? Is it A. Civil Rights Act, B. Bill of Rights, or C. Statutes of Limitations? It is C. Statutes of Limitations. What type of geological formation is the Manicouagan known for being in Canada? Is it A. Mountain range, B. Volcano, or C. Impact crater? It is C. Impact crater. Which title did Tyson Fury win in 2015 by defeating Vladimir Klitschko? Is it A. Middleweight Championship, B. Heavyweight Championship, or C. Cruiserweight Championship? It is B. Heavyweight Championship. What major trade route was solidified during the Ming Dynasty in China? Is it A. Spice Route, B. Silk Road, or C. Royal Road? It is B. Silk Road. Which science fiction film featured Keanu Reeves as a character named Neo? Is it A. The Matrix, B. Inception, or C. Blade Runner? It is A. The Matrix. What is the primary geographical feature that the Cape York Peninsula is known for? Is it A. Mountain range, B. Desert, or C. Tropical rainforest? It is C. Tropical rainforest. What type of dish is Vindaloo most commonly associated with? Is it A. Soup, B. Salad, or C. Curry? It is C. Curry. What event is commonly associated with the beginning of the French Revolution in 1789? Is it A. Storming of the Bastille, B. Reign of Terror, or C. Napoleonic Wars? It is A. Storming of the Bastille. What is the primary mechanism proposed by Charles Darwin for evolutionary change in species? Is it A. Genetic drift, B. Natural selection, or C. Artificial selection? It is B. Natural selection. Which Justin Bieber song features Quavo and was a hit in 2020? Is it A. Intentions, B. Sorry, or C. Peaches? It is A. Intentions. What was a significant outcome of the War of 1812 in the United States? Is it A. Territory loss, B. Nationalism increased, or C. Abolishment of slavery? It is B. Nationalism increased. What is the primary feature that makes ostriches the largest living birds? Is it A. Speed, B. Color, or C. Size? It is C. Size. What are the two main types of nucleic acids found in living organisms? Is it A. ATP and NAD, B. DNA and RNA, or C. Proteins and enzymes? It is B. DNA and RNA. What distance is a standard marathon race? Is it A. 10 miles, B. 13.1 miles, or C. 26.2 miles? It is C. 26.2 miles. What is the title of the famous wrestling persona adopted by Dwayne Johnson in the WWE? Is it A. Stone Cold, B. The Hulk, or C. The Rock? It is C. The Rock. Which country is home to Lake Vättern? Is it A. Finland, B. Norway, or C. Sweden? It is C. Sweden. Which country is predominantly located on the Sinai Peninsula? Is it A. Egypt, B. Israel, or C. Jordan? It is A. Egypt. What is the Great Red Spot on Jupiter primarily known for? Is it A. a moon of Jupiter, B. being a giant storm, or C. the largest crater? It is B. being a giant storm. In which month is the New York City Marathon traditionally held? Is it A. October, B. November, or C. September? It is B. November. What is the primary purpose of a synthesizer in music production? Is it A. audio recording, B. sound creation, or C. live performance? It is B. sound creation. What type of dish is remoulade typically used as a condiment for? Is it A. seafood, B. pasta, or C. salad? It is A. seafood. What is a common application of cadmium in industry? Is it A. paints, B. batteries, or C. plastics? It is B. batteries. Which character is Fraser Crane known for in the television show Cheers and its spin-off Frasier? Is it A. lawyer, B. bartender, or C. psychiatrist? It is C. psychiatrist. What was the capital city of the Byzantine Empire? Is it A. Constantinople, B. Rome, or C. Athens? It is A. Constantinople. What is the primary economic policy focus of Luis Arce as president of Bolivia? Is it A. capitalism, B. socialism, or C. feudalism? It is B. socialism. What type of financial services does Revolut primarily offer? Is it A. real estate loans, B. investment consulting, or C. digital banking? It is C. digital banking. In which film did Kristen Stewart portray the character Bella Swan? Is it A. Twilight, B. Snow White, or C. Personal Shopper? It is A. Twilight. What is the primary feature of an abyssal plain in oceanography? Is it A. coral reefs, B. flat seafloor, or C. ocean current? It is B. flat seafloor. Which cuisine is jambalaya primarily associated with? Is it A. Indian, B. Italian, or C. Cajun? It is C. Cajun. What is the capital city of the Democratic Republic of the Congo? Is it A. Kigali, B. Kinshasa, or C. Lusaka? It is B. Kinshasa. What is Cape Horn known for in maritime geography? Is it A. Coral reef, B. Mountain range, or C. Navigational landmark? It is C. Navigational landmark. What is the basic unit of life known as? Is it A. Organ, B. Tissue, or C. Cell? It is C. Cell. Which country is home to Seoul National University? Is it A. South Korea, B. Japan, or C. China? It is A. South Korea. Which platform is Tana Mongo best known for her vlogs and storytime videos? Is it A. Instagram, B. YouTube, or C. TikTok? It is B. YouTube. How many Olympic gold medals has Simone Biles won in gymnastics? Is it A6, B2, or C4? It is C4. What position does Abdel Fattah el-Sisi hold in Egypt since 2014? Is it A. Foreign Minister, B. Prime Minister, or C. President? It is C. President. Which festival celebrates the ancient Incan sun god Inti? Is it A. Day of the Dead, B. Inti Raymi, or C. Carnival? It is B. Inti Raymi. What bright blue gemstone is known for its association with royalty? Is it A. Turquoise, B. Lapis lazuli, or C. Sapphire? It is B. Lapis lazuli. What is the musical term adagio primarily used to indicate in a composition? Is it A. Slow tempo, B. Fast tempo, or C. Loud volume? It is A. Slow tempo. What river carved out the Grand Canyon over millions of years? Is it A. Mississippi River, B. Colorado River, or C. Rio Grande? It is B. Colorado River. What is the primary role of spindle fibers during cell division? Is it A. DNA replication, B. Energy production, or C. Chromosome separation? It is C. Chromosome separation. What fundamental concept does string theory propose about the building blocks of the universe? Is it A. Quantum loops, B. Particles as points, or C. One-dimensional strings? It is C. One-dimensional strings. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.